This is the first time powering this up. It's kind of stupid. I hear a loose nut in there. I really shouldn't do this. I really need to open this up, inspect thoroughly, but I can't help it for the price I got these for. I mean, come on, it's ridiculous. You gotta be kidding me. No way. Awesome, even with a loose screw. Wow, that's amazing. Unbelievable. Wow, I'm gonna power this off. Disassemble the inside, clean it up, because I hear something loose in there. Oh my, wow, that's just awesome. That's amazing. And the noise floor is going down, I guess, is it? Probably auto does something, auto's like sampling or something. Averaging, I don't really know exactly. Well, I'm going to turn this off. Wow, that's amazing. Unbelievable. $5 is insane for this. That's crazy. And it was listed for 10. Actually, no, this is a $250 one because everything is 25% off. This is listed as 10. I got it for $2. This is crazy. Awesome. Actually, it's awesome. I get free stuff all the time, so it's nothing new, but it's just so not expected that I get spectrum analyzers for free. This one actually works. That's really cool. I'm going to power it off. Awesome, man. Thank you, Jesus. Everybody be safe and stay healthy out there.